So hello guys, we're here. We're doing the practice for stage play, but I'm with the girls by the way. So I'm gonna put the camera down, and if you think this video is nice, give a beautiful thumbs up and also rate my video very super thanks. And if you want a custom request, just let me know on email. My email is in the email description. You can see there the email I've already attached, and also follow also my Instagram. I already posted it in my channel. Thank you so much everyone. I'll see you later.
Itan sila ng gawas, huwag na pinito. Itan na sila ng gawas. Hoy, ari lagi mo ng gawas. Huwag na mo, ito lagi mo ng gawas. Ay, nagawas sa ato sa room ni Kikay. O ari mo sa ako sa isa. Balay man ni. Oo, ari mo diriday kang duhan ni Naog ni Kuan. Kahapon ay buong sa pagkahapon niya.
Ay, anong sila at mga sa Mango Tree?
Oh, sa Mango Tree. O, diriday ang Mango Tree. Kani ko na kung malilikuan. Sila pa.
Hindi ka mo din ang ibo.
Anak ka.
Nakto ka sa pinggan, ito mo doon ni Kitay. Ali.
What's all this?
What were you two quarreling about? Yes. What's going on here?
Hindi ang sina ni last kay Nicole ko ni Kikay, kinisulti na mo Kikay.
Ubarong kami, manimong yes, kay you're trying to be defensive man.
Yes. What's all this?
What were you two quarreling about?
Tony, is this true?
Yes. What's going on here?
Oh, good. Now we can tell them. Tony and I are engaged. Shock na.
Engaged?
Dapat shock ka lang away. Okay. So, effect ba shock sa sila? Tony and I are engaged.
Engaged?
Yes. But secretly engaged. What? Wait.
I tried to tell you Kikay. I was trying to tell you.
You unspeakable fan. Hey, careful there. You're talking to my fiancé.
Wala kay gibuhat, stop. Pati kayo, wala kay gibuhat ng channelin. Dapat na kay man. Ito
No. Hey, careful there.
Babay na sa kayo dahil naglagot matanda.
Hey, careful there. We're talking to my fiancé. Oh, no. Oh, no? Why not, huh? Well, you're not engaged to him.
Sayop ka dahil.
Oh, reaction.
Ronel ka nang dapat kung kasi nag-istorya at
Ato
kang
sa kami,
tanaw.
engaged sila.
Kung sinali nag-istorya dito ka nagtanaw ni Krista.
Teka mo siya tapag.
Ano ba na, Ronel?
Nawali-wali na ako.
Tarong nga Ronel, mula ko na bakag 4:30.
Well, he's not engaged to you anymore. You just said so yourself. But I didn't know what.
Inconsistent character.
But I didn't know about it.
Now remember Kikay? It's not, it's uncivilized. Uncivilized. To lose temper. People in New York lose temper. Not people in hot country. Anyway.
I told you to pay me. I told you to leave him alone. He's my fiancé. And I tell you,
Pwede ra to inato kay kanang Kita rin hapon kayo si Ronnie.
Oo, kay taas kayo sa mga day. Day, bisa tayo magtapos sa mga makita lagi sa mga
Ayaw pagpalayo, Krista, nag-anak kang kalayo, day. Baka liha ganina.
Kung ano, sukusugon, kung ano, sukusugon.
Shock na yakap. Dugay lang wala na siya ni baka mo na si Aldrin. Yay! What? What did you say? What did you say?
Ay, ang abil siguro mo pa sa
Basta ang init ako niya.
Anong matay? Ang performance sa 5 over 10 pa.
Hey, careful there! You're talking to my fiancé. It's not hey, careful there, buddy. Hey, careful there! You're talking to my fiancé. It's not your fiancé. Oh no! Why not? Oh no! Why not, huh? Because he was still engaged to you. Engaged to you. Well, he's not engaged to you anymore. You just said so yourself.
Now remember, Kikay, uncivilized, who lose temper. People in New York don't lose temper, not people in Butundi anyway.
kabayani nga sakit kaya yung client.
Mga itatagin ako yung
Krista.
I told you to leave him alone. He's my fiancé. Day, day. Saan sa pika sa mga day? Hindi ka ba?
Sabi?
Uy na mga primo, Jen.
Bisa na grupo na to day.
Oo, ano?
Dili sige sir.
You're just being a dog in a manger. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. Stealing my man. What?